If a trip is coming up, wait till these are seen. This month brings 15 travel gadgets worth adding to any packing list, and a few of them solve problems most travelers didn't even know they had. Every single one is linked in the description below. Let's get into it. First up, a bit of a wild card, the modern travel Hawaiian shirt. If there's one thing every male traveler needs in his suitcase, it's this shirt. Whether you're strolling along a beach boardwalk, exploring a coastal town, or sipping cocktails at a rooftop bar, this shirt effortlessly fits the moment. The vibrant floral and tropical prints bring instant vacation energy, while the relaxed fit keeps you comfortable through long travel days and warm evenings. The best part, and it needs zero ironing, a total win for carry-on packers. Packing cubes are not new, but this new generation is genuinely better. What really sets these apart is the original X-stitch reinforced design. The sidewalls never collapse, even when you've packed to maximum capacity. They stack perfectly in your bag, keep your clothes wrinkle-free, and when you land, you can unpack in under a minute. You get 4 graduated, water-resistant cubes ranging from extra large to small, plus a dedicated laundry bag to keep your dirty clothes completely separated. Carry-on trip, checked luggage, 2-week international adventure. These handle it all. Packing for your next trip, stop juggling 3 different chargers. Meet the Belkin UltraCharge Pro, the only charging dock you need. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously, no tangled cables required. Travelers will love the advanced Chill Boost active cooling system, which keeps everything running smoothly, even during fast charging, so your devices stay protected. The sleek chrome base and soft touch design look premium, perfect for hotels, Airbnbs, or airport lounges. Traveling without this next gadget is honestly a risk. The wallet tracker card, the one thing that saves you from a travel nightmare. It's credit card thin, so it slides right into your wallet without adding bulk. Lose your wallet, open Apple Find My, and boom, it pinpoints your wallet's exact location on a map. No subscription fees ever. The alarm goes up to 80 decibels, loud enough to hear under your hotel bed, in a taxi, or buried in luggage. Set it and forget it. Every seasoned traveler knows the details make the trip, and nothing pulls a travel look together like a chronograph watch. And trust me, this is the one. Elegant enough for a rooftop dinner, durable enough for a hiking trail, lightweight enough to forget you're wearing it. The sapphire crystal dial, rich leather strap, and stainless steel case give it that premium, designer look without the designer price tag. Link is below. Your next adventure deserves it. Let me tell you what nobody puts on their packing list, but absolutely should. The magnetic clothesline, $16. And honestly, it might be the smartest thing in your entire suitcase. 2 magnets attached to any metal surface. Just snap them on, pull out the retractable line, and you have a full drying station set up in seconds. Swimsuits, workout clothes, hand-wash delicates, dry overnight and ready to pack by morning. And when checkout comes, the whole thing folds into one compact carrying bag. You always pack the wrong shoes. Too heavy. Takes forever at security. Destroys your feet by noon. Not this time. The Bruno Mars slip-on shoes. One pull and they're on. Arch support that actually works. EVA sole with rubber grip so you're steady on every surface, wet, slick, uneven, whatever. Wear them through security, off the plane, across the city. Pair them with jeans, chinos, or shorts. They work everywhere your trip takes you. Under $35, this is the travel shoe your feet have been waiting for. You don't need a giant suitcase for every trip. You need the right travel duffel bag. And once you travel with it, you won't go back. 40 liters of space. Enough for 3 to 5 days of gear, pack smart. Shoes get their own sealed compartment at the bottom. Wet clothes. They go in the dedicated wet pocket up front, 6 total compartments, everything organized before you even leave the house. And best part, it shapeshifts, duffel mode for the hotel lobby, backpack mode for the city streets, luggage sleeve for the terminal sprint. 1 bag, 3 ways to carry it. You've packed everything, but what about those dark hotel nights? Pack a motion sensor nightlight. Just stick it to any metal surface in your room. the wall, the bathroom door, the closet, and it's ready to go. 2 brightness levels, so you're never hit with blinding light at midnight. Walk past it. It glows. Walk away. It goes dark. Completely automatic. Completely silent. Charge it once. It lasts up to 3 months. 1 charge outlasts your vacation, your business trip, and your next 3 hotel stays combined. Before you zip up that bag, you're missing one thing. Mini water flosser. Lighter than your phone. Fits in the palm of your hand. You pull it out, fill the detachable tank in seconds, and in about 10 seconds flat, your mouth feels like you just walked out of a dentist's office. Use it in the shower. Use it at a campsite. Use it in an airplane bathroom. No judgment. Charge it once with USB-C, and it runs for 30 full days. Drop it in your toiletry bag, your backpack, your jacket pocket. It disappears until you need it. There is one thing every traveler is terrified of: losing their passport. This fixes that. A smart, trackable passport wallet. Looks like a regular passport cover, slim, clean, premium leather, but with a tracker built right inside. It runs on Apple's Find My network, the same system behind AirTags. Open your phone and your passport is right there on the map. Everything you need at the airport lives inside this wallet. Your passport, boarding pass, cards, cash, and SIM card slots for international travel. Here is the thing about travel pillows. Most of them are useless. This is different. Twist travel pillow. And the reason it works while other pillows fail comes down to one thing: it actually moves with you. It has a flexible memory foam core with a bendable inner rod, so you can twist it, shape it, and lock it into any position you need. Wrap it around your neck for head support. Bend it behind your lower back. Prop it under your knees. One pillow, every situation, zero compromise. The next thing that belongs in every man's travel bag is Manscaped Weed Whacker, the electric nose and ear trimmer. It catches what other trimmers miss, cuts clean without pulling, and gets the job done faster than you would believe. It is fully waterproof. Use it in the hotel shower, rinse it under the faucet, drop it back in your toiletry bag. The blade is replaceable, so this is not a one-trip purchase. It is a forever travel tool. Over 1 million men have made this part of their routine. Now it's your turn. Most travelers pack everything except the one thing that keeps them moving: shoe insoles. Slip them into any shoe, sneakers, boots, walking shoes, and feel the difference immediately. Instant relief from the first step. The deep heel cradle locks your foot in place and absorbs the impact of every single step. The arch support keeps your alignment right, and the gel shock absorber in the heel. It soaks up the impact that would otherwise travel straight into your knees and lower back by the end of the day. Grab a pair before your next trip. Link is in the description. Hit the like button if rain has ever wrecked your perfectly good trip. That's why having a good rain jacket matters. It lets you keep going. Get 2 of them for under $10. When the clouds roll in, you are ready in seconds. Long sleeves protect your arms. The adjustable drawstring hood locks out wind and rain, and when the rain stops, fold it back up and forget about it. Stop letting bad weather ruin good trips. The link is right below. And that's the list. 15 gadgets that solve real travel problems. Subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.